R. Kim Williamson, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TV. Y'all already know. Mia.
Why she curse like that?
Master P.
Everything is motherfucker this, motherfucker that, and that's when they in church. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
Jesus,
Pray for him.
Jesus.
I will.
No refunds my ass. Looks like somebody better give us back our motherfucking money and you gonna get your motherfucking ass.
Looks like somebody gonna get their motherfucking ass whooped. Blue, how you gonna sell us this sad-ass TV?
Yes, up here, you flying monkey bitches. Before I get out my bitch be gone spray and spray you. Bitch be gone, bitch be gone. But I tell you what, if you can talk to your sister and give me some of that ass, maybe I'll give you a couple of dollars.
You ain't never gonna get none of this.
5 months. Matter of fact, give me 4. I wouldn't even need that, bitch.
First of all, who you calling a little punk bitch motherfucker? I got stretch marks bigger than you. Anyway, your grandma's a bitch.
I smell like shit. And they're looking like Wesley when he did 2 on food.
Well, I'm gonna be passing the 56 all up in your ass. You gonna give us our money back.
That's not the name of the movie, but
You was a dumb little short 2-inch bitch.
You talk about my height.